Hello and welcome class 7. In this maths class, I will continue some important sums of exercise 1. Exercise 1, see sum number 23 of your book. Sum number 23 of exercise 1 of your book, of your maths book. The sum has how many times should 518 be added to give the sum 94794. I repeat, how many times should 518 be added to give the sum 94794? Sum number 23. In this sum, how will you find out how many times 518 should be added to get 94794? Simply you will do one division, and that division you have to show as a fair work to get full marks. So, I'll show you how you will do. No statement required in case of this sum. Simply you have to do division and you have to show the division. 94794. So 518 ones. Four. Now this simple division is all that you have to do. So 518 should be added up 183 times to get 94794. This is the only statement and this is the answer. So only statement and answer of the sum is 518 should be added up. Should be added up 183 times to get 94794. This is how you have to solve the sum. Very simple sum. Only the division is what you have to show, and no statement required. Simple division, and the answer, the quotient that you will get is the answer of the sum itself. So this is how you will solve sum number 23. Another important sum is sum number 26. So I'll proceed with sum number 26 of exercise 1 of your book, the revision chapter. Sum number 26. If you carefully see sum number 26, it is given that the product of 4312 and another number is 409360. Find the number. That is the product of 4312 and another number. That is three numbers are there whose product is given in the sum. Three numbers are there whose product is given and one number is missing. Three numbers are there. Carefully notice there are three numbers of which 43 and 112 are two numbers and third number is missing. And the answer, the product of the multiplication is also given, that is 409360. It is given that the product is the product is 409360. This is the product of three numbers. It is given in the sum that this is the product of three numbers. Now the two numbers are given. The two numbers are 43 and 112. These are the two numbers. Third number is missing because this is the product of three numbers. 43, 112 and another number which is missing. That number you are asked to find out. So first our work will be, let the missing number be x. Let the missing number be x. Therefore, according to the problem, 43 into 112 into x is equal in the sum. In sum number 26, two numbers are given. Third number is missing and the product of these three is 409360. Simply you have to find the value of x. How will you find out? X is equal to 409360 by 43 into 112. You can do a reduced to lowest term. If you cancel these two numbers which can be reduced, which can be divided, which is divisible by 2, then what you get? Here you get 56 and here you get 204680. Again 204680 and 56 can be cancelled with 2 again. It can be cancelled with 2. So you are getting 102,340 and 56. It can be cancelled and we can get 28. Again this is divisible by 2. You can go on cancelling because cancelling is easier than doing the division. It takes less time. 51170. 51170. And this one, if we cancel, we can get 14. Again, if we cancel 14 with 2, it is again, it can again be cancelled. 25585. 585. And you are getting 7. Again this can be cancelled by 7. 3655. So ultimately you are getting x is equal to 3655 by 43 because 43 is still remaining. Now if you do the division, you can get 85. 85. So 85 is the missing number. 85 is the missing number. 85 is the third number. So the product of 43, 112 and 85 is 409360. Simply you will write the answer, that the product of, what answer you will write? That I will show you. The product of 43, 112 and 85 is 409360. This is the answer. This is how we will find the missing number in the sum, which is 85. So I hope whatever I have explained today in these two important sums you have understood. All the sums you will get in the PDF which is provided in the description box. A link is there. Click on the link and you will get the PDF where you will get the solved sums. So keep on watching.